In this video, I'll show you how to adjust your Meta Quest 3 in case you want to use it wearing eyeglasses. I myself, I'm wearing these when I'm playing, and at first I was quite surprised because the Meta Quest 2 came with a glass spacer and I didn't knew at first what to do, but then I found out and I find the Meta Quest 3 much more comfortable to use with glasses comparing to the previous version. So what you need to do, and it's very easy, is you see over here on each side of the mask you have a button with 4 dots under it, and you have one on the other side as well. Well, this button, when you press it, you're able to adjust the space between the face pad and the lenses. So this way, if you're wearing glasses, you can create a much larger space over there and you'll be able to fit these right inside. Okay, so what you need to do is to press that button, keep it pressed, hold the Oculus Quest with one hand and the other one, you're gonna pull on this padded section here while pressing. So you see the white dot is on the first hole and you can adjust it in 4 different settings. So I'm pressing the button and I'm pulling this padded section at the same time, and you see the hole now is at the last spot. I know it's hard to see, but it went there. And you need to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm pressing the button. I know it's hard to see. I'm pressing the button and I'm pulling this section. And by doing this, you see there is more space that is created, and this way you'll be able to use your eyeglasses. Just make sure that both settings are the same. So if here you're using the 3rd dot, make sure that this is on the 3rd dot as well. I know it's a bit hard, but once you get used to it, it's easy. And you can pull it back the same position simply by holding the button and pushing. You see? So you can move it freely this way. And yeah, a small trick I noticed is it's easier if you hold the Oculus Quest with your other hand and your thumb, put it right over here where the nose goes. This way you have a better grip to adjust it. Another thing that you need to adjust, even if you don't wear glasses, but if you wear glasses it's even more important, I think, is with this small knob over here, the pupillary distance. So you probably have a prescription for your eyeglasses, and in this prescription you need to find the PD, pupillary distance. And well, in my case it's 67, and to put it at 67 you just need to turn on your Quest 3, and once it's turned on and you wear the headset, simply by turning this knob you're going to see a number appearing, and this way you can increase it or decrease it. So this is it. I hope this was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, check the affiliate links in the description if you want to get more accessories for your Meta Quest 3, and I'll see you in the next video.